Oh my. Oh. Oh my God, I'm doing it.
You doing it?
Oh my God.
Again, they're like touching the.
Like that? Like that?
Yeah, it's going through. The milk is coming. Can you try the other one of the?
Oh, one of it? Another one?
Yeah, so you see if the.
I know, but this was small though. It's hard to like.
Try the other one.
This one?
Yeah. Yeah. Watch.
And he comes.
Try to take it down. Yeah, all the way down. Yeah, all the way down. Yeah. Yeah. Bikore kurura akandi ari kureba. Mubikorere rimwe. Okay, he's going to show you how it stands. You see?
You do it fast.
Yeah. See, you need to do like this. And then.
Yo, you're a professional at this.
Yeah. Yeah. He said he wants you to try it like this.
All right, let me lock in, Dan. Let me lock in. It's time to milk a cow for real. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. Let me try, brother. Okay. You want to show off? I can show off too. Let me lock in, bro. That's mine.
Ready?
Okay. What, bro? How do you? Nah, bro. Nah.
It's like this. So it's like squeezing it.
Oh, you squeeze it like that.
Then you pulse. Then he has this.
Like this.
And the thing, yes.
Teach me the technique.
You can sit and do yourself.
I think the cow's done.
Okay, you want to hold your hand so he can show you exact how it's done. And it's very easy.
Wait, we got
That's the birds.
birds? Why do they sound like that?
One and birds.
Like this?
Yes.
Like, oh, like that.
See, but try to go all the way down, then you have.
Oh,
You know, that's by Lee.
I get it.
Wow.
I get it.